I will be covering one of the chart type that is not directly available in Tableau, but we will understand the workaround which is available to create the donut chart. Okay, for that, uh, in this sample workbook, I have connected two global superstore dataset, and I will drag category as a dimension either in rows or in column. Let me move it to automatic, and then I will drag sales in column. We can see Tableau automatically create a bar chart whenever we drag a dimension and a measure, and from show me we can convert it to pie chart very easily. Now we have converted a pie chart. So the first step is to, if you want to create a donut chart, first of all we have to create a pie chart using all the dimension and measures we wanted. And now we know one concept that is available in Tableau, that is dual axis, where we can use two charts and merge their axes, right? So the idea behind creating a donut chart is creating two pie chart exactly same and overlapping one chart over another, where we can reduce the size of one pie and remove all the color from it and assign it a white color, so that it will give an illusion to the user that it's a donut chart. Let me show you how we will proceed. First of all, we will have to create a column. We can use average of 0, or we can use sum of 0 or anything like that. Basically we wanted to create an axis which is stable at any number. We can have average of 1 or anything. Okay, so this pie chart is assigned or will lie on this axis which is at 0. Now we will create a duplicate of this. We have created two axes, and basically they are like two pie charts. What we can do is from the second pie we will remove all the fields, so that all the sections, all the color, everything disappear. It's basically a circle now. Now we will reduce the size, for example this much, maybe this much, and we will use dual axis option at the top to overlap this circle on this pie. Right now, well, we can clearly see it is somewhat looking like a donut chart, but not exactly, because we will have to change the color of this gray to white. Now it is looking like a donut chart. And in terms of usage, we can see like when we hover over the outer pie, it is still creating a section like a pie, but to a user it don't look like an issue. So now what we can do is we can remove these headers. Okay, we can format it so that we can remove this 0 line. I will go in this line section, and in columns I will remove 0 line. We can make it entire view. We will also remove grid line. And now if you want to increase the size of this pie, we will have to increase the size of both of these charts. For example, the size of the outer pie like this, we can increase, like we can decide how much size we want it, like this much. And now we have to increase the size of the inner section, this circle, so that we will get the width of the donut as required. So this is looking much better. Now there is one advantage of using a donut chart, that is, for example here, like when we hover, it is giving us category wise sale. Let me remove this average from the tooltip because this is not required. Now it is giving us like furniture sales, technology sale, and office supply sales. But what if I want a total? Then we can use this section, like this white pie or white circle, to get the total. For example, if I drag sales in the label, it is giving me the total, like sum of these three values. So we can use this section to show the total, whereas we can use the pie to show us like values for each section, right? So this is kind of advantage while using a donut chart. So that's how we can create our donut chart in Tableau. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.